Huh? Huh? I'll teach you a lesson to the idler. And how do you like toilet water?
It's you! It would be nice to eat my favorite cereal right now. Where is all the dishes?
You should have washed the dishes yesterday.
Okay, I can handle it anyway. Oh God, what a bore! I'll do it in 5 seconds. Done?
Great job. Ew! Casey! Final touch. Finish making this ship while I finish respecting myself.
This is the work of my life!
You'll regret it. Casey, you're completely noisy. Stop this trash place.
Chris. Are you guys fine?
I have to go.
Was that your brother? Wow.
I've almost fixed that.
I'm not good enough for her.
It's time to go home.
How to learn to kiss on the tomatoes. Oh, so this is the way it should be done.
I forgot my backpack.
I didn't know that kisses are that tasty. Casey, Casey, what's wrong with you? Why is your room constantly so dirty?
And why are you always so nasty?
Hi, kids! Look what I have. But first you have to clean all this mess.
Okay, Mom.
No, it's not enough. Casey, are you ready? Casey, how about some help?
Okay. Look at me, I'm up there dancing. Moving it forward.
Your mind is clear.
That's what I'm here for. Here for. Live to explore. They say do it right, you can hide. You know what is black and what is white.
Oh, girl, it's so boring.
Orange. Keep it going. Take it easy, just relax. The world will not collapse. It's gonna be okay.
Ew,
Okay.
Casey.
Anyway.
Good job, kids!
So, what about the tickets?
I expect good marks from you for the test.
Easy.
Stupid school. Wow! I'm so smart. I'm so stylish.
Perfect. Casey! What kind of rubbish is this?
I'm so happy for you. And what should I do about it?
Wow, cool, normal food.
Only I can deal with my brother. Wow, it's cool. Gossip, gossip, gossip. Hi, Chris. Do you like her?
No.
I can see right through you. I will help you with Roxy if you will help me with Tess.
Deal.
Okay, you won. Don't sleep, Casey.
Sorry. Okay, it's simple. It's so complicated.
Do not write off. Don't look into the window. Don't stare at the teacher.
Hey, Chris, let's go according to our plan.
Okay. Oh, my heart!
What happened? Chris, are you okay? Chris!
1 second. Thank you.
Ew.
It's my first good mark ever. Thank you, Chris.
A+, nothing special. Huh, do you remember about our promise?
Yes. Now let's go in for sports.
Oh.
Don't get distracted.
Casey, how do you do? Casey!
Why do I need this sport? I'm already so beautiful.
Can you be serious for once?
Okay. This is your chance. Just do it.
Hi, baby. How are you doing here?
Are you okay? Sorry, I didn't hear you at all. Good news, you're popular now.
Wanna go?
That's not all.
What else? Oh! Huh? Not bad.
Roxy will come in 5 minutes.
Can you help me to get ready for my date, please?
Oh, ew, fresh your breath. Take it in my back.
Thank you, Casey. You're the best. Huh? Which one? Okay, let's take this one.
But don't mix it up with pepper spray.
I'm just like Casey.
What's wrong with you?
Oh, it's my makeup.
Okay, let's go. I need to go to the toilet now.
Oh, so quick.
Easy. Chris, pass the chips, please.
It was easier with a tomato.
It's more convenient this way. So convenient.
Huh?
Well, you seem to get along pretty well. And that means...
Would you like to go with her?
Thank you! But what about you?
Oh, it's okay.
Hey!